Congratulations. If you're watching this video, it means you have completed your week 0 and now we want to submit your assignments. So I'm going to explain you where is your assignments. So here this is your assignments. Click on this link and this is going to open these sheets, and here you will click on this tab here, this tab week 0. So you see we have a different tabs for the different week. So currently as you are in week 0, so click on this tab and it's going to open, and here I have added link of your assignments. So click on this link here and this is going to open your assignments link. So you see here we have a different task, and similarly you can also see I have also added link over here for this task. So go ahead and get your all assignments and task over here, and here again I have explained how to submit this. So once you complete it, come here, you can open this form, and now using this Google form you will be able to submit your assignments. Thank you so much. Once you're done with these assignments, see you in the next video.